Starting fresh isn't about waiting for the perfect time. It's about deciding right now to show up for yourself. Some days it's a run in the cold, and other days it's lifting weights or taking a long walk. And sometimes it's as simple as making a meal that fuels you or enjoying the small wins along the way. It's not about perfection, it's about progress, one choice at a time. Let's start with the first step, groceries. I just got back from the grocery store because it is Friday. Taryn is leaving tomorrow. Our fridge is empty. It's time to refill. And I did groceries for a whole week. So I got 3 full bags of groceries. I'm not gonna put you through a whole haul, but I'll just show you my proteins for the week and the vegetables I bought. So for protein, I have eggs, chicken drums, chicken thighs, regular chicken breasts, 2 juicy pieces of steak that we're gonna have tonight for dinner, ground turkey and ground beef, and just some bacon for Tana's sandwiches, sliced turkey for my sandwiches. So whenever I do these grocery hauls, you can't forget that it's for 2 people, and we're most of the times eating 2 different meals. We don't eat the same things, and I also don't mind cooking 2 different things. That's just how we live our life. And then in my freezer, I always have some salmon and some shrimp as well. That's basically always in stock. You know, something as simple as prepping your groceries makes it easier to stick to home cooking. It's like setting yourself up for success before you even start. And for me, that starts with a vinegar soak of my produce. That way, my vegetables and my fruits are just clean, and whenever I'm ready to start cooking or eat a little fruit as a snack, they're ready to go. I've also been making time for things that feel productive but calming, like video editing. It's almost therapeutic when you're in the flow of it. Cooking at home feels like such a grounding ritual, and honestly, frozen vegetables, total lifesaver. They're easy, convenient, and still good for you. I've been trying to be more mindful about portions lately, not necessarily about restriction, more so about listening to my body. And trust me, it feels so much better than overeating out of habit. I am a serial overeater, and this one right here really made a big difference. It is freezing outside. I am layered up. I have a long sleeve sweatshirt, a hoodie, and my little wind coat. I'm new to running, so this is gonna be something. It's gonna be my first long run in a long time. 35 minutes. Let's get going. Running is still a challenge for me, but it's one that I genuinely look forward to because it's not about speed or distance. It's about seeing how much better I can get over time, one step at a time. Yo, that was a hustle. It's those hills, man, those hills. They are so sneaky, but they really they slow me down so much. I started walking 2 times, only for 30 seconds, just to give my legs a break, but I'm happy I got it done, and I'm about to stretch because I do not want to be sore tomorrow. Let me get some water first. Stretching after a run is also a game changer. It feels so good to slow down and take care of your body after pushing it. Cooking meals like this reminds me how much I enjoy making food from scratch. It is so good to know exactly what is in your food, and it's just better this way, you know? Also, this is one of those meals that I grew up eating, I would say almost weekly, if not weekly, bi-weekly. This is a Belgian style bolognese, and we just pack it with vegetables. It's high in protein, and it's so good for you, and such a cozy bowl of pasta. Starting the day with mobility feels like such an act of self-care, and it's one of those things I didn't prioritize before, but now I can't go without. So I just got ready for the day, and I'm actually craving a cozy breakfast. So I'm thinking warm, cozy. I'm gonna make some oatmeal, and I've been making oatmeal the same way for a very long time. Oatmeal, coconut milk, chia seeds, and then I top it off with banana and walnuts. The best combination out there. My plans for the day, it is Sunday, so on Sundays, I always take it easy. I usually just do some mobility or yoga or stretching in the morning, and then I go for a long walk, which is what I'm gonna do this afternoon with one of the other wives. And yeah, she has a cute dog too. I dog sat the baby. I dog sat the dog. I dog sat the dog a few weekends ago, and he's just the sweetest dog. So I'm excited to go for that walk. But until then, I'm actually just going to edit the next video, which today another video is going live. It's about beating seasonal depression. So if you haven't watched that yet, go watch it. Shameless plug. Yeah, let's make breakfast and let's get to work, because it's actually already like 11 o'clock. You know, I took my time today. I laid in bed and I scrolled on my phone for for like 30 minutes. Then did my stretching, took a nice long shower, got ready, washed my hair again, did all the things. Yeah, it's Sunday, so easy going. Getting outside, especially with a friend, makes such a difference. The fresh air, the movement, it's good for the body and the soul. Even small moments like this, watching a game with some snacks, are a part of finding balance. It's all about enjoying life in a way that feels good to you. Sometimes the simplest meals are the best. Rice cakes, eggs, and some fresh veggies. Perfect start to my day. It's my birthday. I am officially 31 and I've been on the phone with my family and friends all morning. It's actually 1:30 in the afternoon. So I figured instead of going to the gym today, I still want to move my body. So I'm going for another run. Today would be a fartlek run, so I'll be changing up speeds, I think. That's what a fartlek run is. I'm still new to this. I'm still learning, you know, the terms and stuff. On my birthday, I could have easily just stayed on the couch, scrolling and texting all day, but choosing to move, even if it's just a run, makes me feel so much better. And it's really those little decisions that add up.
Not bad,
right?
Especially with the camera facing. That's only one camera.
Filming on a new camera. We're going for dinner. Come on, baby.
Yeah.
Celebrating with my favorite pizza felt so good. It is not about being strict all the time. You know, it's about making space for the things that truly bring you joy. And this night right here, it's my birthday. I'm celebrating with my husband. It's just, you know, those are the days that we live for. Weightlifting is where I feel the strongest. It's not just about the physical benefits, it's about showing up and proving to myself that I can do hard things. Cooking for yourself doesn't have to be complicated. A simple turkey sandwich with fresh veggies hit the spot every time, and they keep me feeling good too.
What's the purpose of having straight dirt on the court? Like, leave the comments. Because I don't get it. It has to be something countrywide. No way somebody created that and said that this made sense.
You make it look so much harder than it really is. Why are you shaking like that? There's something so calming about an evening walk, especially when it's with someone you love. It's a reminder to slow down and appreciate the little things.